Hi y'all, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those who return and welcome back. Today we're going to check and see if our starts. I didn't get in the yard. We're going to see if our starts came up. The ones we planted a few days ago. So let's check those. It's my first time coming on today. It's about 7 something at night. I need to go to the grocery store. I might take y'all with me. I have not bought anything. I don't have no vegan food to eat. So the only thing I've eaten today is my oatmeal and some nuts. And I don't have anything to eat for dinner. And I haven't eaten dinner unless I make a smoothie. So that's what we need to do today, because I have class in the morning for 3 hours for my CE credits. I got one more to do, well, 2 more after tomorrow. Well, tomorrow and then another one. And I have all my credits. I can renew my license. So, anywho, let's check and see if any of these stars came up. Alright, let's check. Alright, we don't have anything that came up in that one. And that is the snowball. That's the snowball cauliflower. Nothing there. Looks like some dirt lifted though. Let's check this one. Nothing in this one. And this one is the purple broccoli. The one I keep trying to grow and said I haven't gotten nothing in that one either. Nothing in this one. This is broccoli as well, the regular broccoli. Nothing in that one. And I like to keep them wet when I'm trying to grow them. And then this one yesterday looked like something was coming up, but I don't see nothing. And this is the dino kale. So nothing in any of them. Like you see, they lifted up a little bit in spots. So maybe tomorrow I'm gonna put some more water down in here to make sure they stay wet for tomorrow. Cause I don't think it got up that high today. High enough. But let's get some water. And we'll water our onions to keep them wet. And I need to only put some on one side of these. So we'll water those. I dropped the pepper yesterday. Put it in my pocket. And then we'll go back over here and put some water in here for tomorrow so they'll stay wet. Then we'll water these. I don't know why, because my friend, she's not coming back to September, so there's no need to keep saving them for her. And let's go over here and look at our starts. And I gotta cut my grass tomorrow. Yeah, I ain't but 2 of these make it. 3. And then looks like the Swiss chart made it. Because we got 3 of them. But that's it. Need to harvest green beans. These ones haven't flowered, but they got the little flowers on them, but they haven't opened yet. So we'll be getting purple green beans soon. And I don't think those green beans have flowers back there, so I don't think they've done anything. And then we have to get some this on here off, because these are starting. But yeah, I gotta cut my grass tomorrow, because I'll be scared out here. And if not, anywho, that's what we got. So that's all I got for today, because I ain't doing nothing else out here. And you're too close, so let me zoom you out. Finally figure out how to work this camera with the zoom. So that's all we got for today. Probably got okra we need to get. We do. Have to get it every day or it get too big. And I don't have no gloves out here. I do have gloves out here. I hope ain't nothing in them. Spider or something crawled in them. usually don't keep gloves outside, but I'm gonna set y'all down and go up there and get this okra. Let's go get some okra. I'm looking for something to put it in. I ain't got nothing to put it in. Alright, that's it. We got our okra. I think we got like 5 pods. Take these gloves back in the house. We got 5 pods, 3 of the Alabama red and 2 of the long pod. Didn't get any of the red ones today. But yeah, that's all we got. Good enough for a meal. Anyway, let's go back in the house. And then we'll go to the grocery store and find us something to eat. And I can take these off. I have to put on my little jumper over top of my short set. Because if not, I would get eaten up out here. So, we'll be back. Alright, we are in the car. And we are headed to Sprouts. I was just go to Kroger's. I got an open house tomorrow in our neighborhood. I ain't seen no house for sale. It might be in the other section before you get to mine. I ain't seen no house for sale unless they just put it up for sale today or yesterday. Because I didn't walk the neighborhood yesterday. I walked on the treadmill. So perhaps went up. Because usually if you're a realtor, generally you put houses up for sale on Thursday, so people that go out looking on the weekend, they have the new houses to view. That's generally how it works, but it's not written in stone that you should list the house on a Thursday, but that's usually what your brokers tell you to do, list it on a Thursday, but it's up to the client, realistically, when you want to view it, so. Alright, thank you for letting me go. And I got this camera up for the popo to see me, but anyway, I'm gonna put it down because ain't nobody trying to get no tickets. But anyway, I see what we get when we get to Sprouts. Just going to get some stuff to make a salad with and see what else they got in there. I need some pears. I can't ever find any pears, individual pears in Sprouts. They always have it in the bag, and I don't like bag pears because some of them will be soft and I'll be angry because I only eat hard pears. So I'm gonna get some pears. Might have to go to Kroger's to get that. That's usually where I find them at for organic pears. I usually can't find them anywhere but Kroger's. And that's it. So I can have some snacks for class tomorrow and then something to eat tonight. I honestly want some cooked food today. Some squash or some okra. Sauteed okra and sauteed squash. And I might actually eat some sauteed vegetables. I don't know. We'll see when I get back home. I probably ain't gonna feel like making no salad though when I get back home. So we'll see. We'll see. Hold my phone down, because for sure this is not the light to have that thing up and showing, because the police is usually sitting back there. So anyway, Sprouts ain't that far from my house, maybe 3-4 miles, maybe at the most. 4 miles, probably 4. But anyway, I'll call y'all back. Bye. They did not have, I think you can hear without that because it's close enough, but they did not have any kale, down kale. Well, they had 2 and they were old, and that's all they had. And I spent $34.92. And I bought one thing that wasn't raw vegan, and I'm gonna try to make them raw, which were these Mary crackers. I like these crackers. I haven't tried this jalapeno brand, but they're clean. Nothing's in them besides brown rice, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, onion, garlic, jalapeno powder, salt, poppy seeds, and most of it, everything is organic. So I like these because they're organic, and I buy them in another flavor. I used to buy them, but I got these because I want to make them, try to make them raw, and they're good for probably, who knows how long they're good for. And I end up eating them because, like I said, March 2027, because I told you I'm not going to be 100% raw vegan. I'm going to be maybe 80-90%. But I bought this super greens instead, which I like spinach salad, but this has baby chard, baby spinach, and baby kale. And hopefully soon my greens will come and I can eat off of them. And I haven't planted my spinach yet. I'm gonna do that tomorrow after class. It's gonna be hot, but that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. And I got some fennel because I want to make fennel. I got some apples last week that I haven't eaten, and I want to make fennel and apple salad. It is so good if you've never tried it. I was gonna say when I was stationed. I've never been stationed anywhere. I haven't been in the military. My father was military, but when I worked in Texas in the hotel that I used to stay in, they used to have this fish, and it had a fennel and apple slaw on top of it. So good. I have a video. I actually made it because I tried to find it because I had never eaten fennel before then, and I would just go get that recipe every day because of the slaw. It wasn't even the fish that was so good, it was the slaw. It was amazing. So if you've never had fennel, try a fennel and apple slaw. I can't remember. I probably had mayonnaise on it, but I'm not gonna make it with mayonnaise. I probably make it with avocado instead, and hopefully it's good, and make the avocado creamy and put it on there. But I did buy some hummus, so I might use the hummus. I don't know. We'll see what we do with it, but we're gonna make it. And that's a little small fennel, and it ain't all that good. The vegetables didn't look good. And instead of buying one thing of peppers for $2 and something for one pepper, I just bought the bag because the bag was cheaper. The bag was the bag of peppers was, did she not ring the peppers up? Oh, sweet peppers $4.99, $5. So it really ain't that much of a difference. I bought some cashew cheese. I actually have a recipe that I made. I haven't posted it yet, but I made some fermented cashew cheese. It was delicious. So I probably need to make that because I wrote the video down, but I never taped it because I was recipe testing it, and then I stopped making vegan videos. But it was very good, and I made it with a capsule from probiotic vitamin capsule, whatever, and made it from that, and it was very delicious. And I bought some alfalfa sprouts. I bought a whole gigantic bag of different types of broccoli to make sprouts, and I was making them, then I stopped. So I got these because what I paid for them remind me to start back making them. And what did I pay for these? The sprouts were $2.99, which ain't bad, and the crackers were $4.99. The cheese was $8. So I really need to make that instead of buying it. And then I bought some more hummus. And I don't know if this hummus is from cooked chickpeas or if they were raw, because you can make it with raw or cooked. So I don't know. I make mine with raw. I just soak them for 24 hours and do that. But the hummus was $4.99. The cheese was $7.99. The crackers $4.99. The fennel was $2.99. The greens was $5.99, but it's 16 ounces, which that was the cheapest, because the others was $5.99, and they were only 10 ounces and 8 ounces, and this one is 16, so it was double the amount, because it's the Sprouts brand instead of the name brand. I don't care about that. I just put it in some water with some vinegar and stuff and rewash it, because it says it's been washed 3 times, but you wash them yourself. And then the sweet peppers were $4.99. Like I said, Sprouts were $2.99, and that's it. That's all I got for $40. But this salad will last me it'll last me a week, because I do have some cabbage at home. I'm gonna chop the cabbage up too and use that cabbage for a salad mix, and that's what I'm having for the rest of the week. Well, until next Friday when I come back to the grocery store again. Anyway, that's all I got. Take my own bag and my little purse. Have my little purse I keep, my little bag I keep in my pocketbook. But anyway, that is it. So I didn't see that thing really. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. My head was cut off. I had my glasses on. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video tomorrow. And this was I think we're on day 11. Yeah, because yesterday was day 10. We're on day 11. I haven't walked yet, so I'm going to walk tonight. So I'll probably throw that in the video at the end, because I didn't get up late. I got a late start because I was working from bed instead of getting up and going walking and then going in my office and work. I was working late. So, Alright, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment below if you have any questions, share, and hype the video. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Alright, this is my salad. Peppers, kiwi, okra, the last little bit of the kale that I had. What is this in here? Olives, pickled jalapenos, avocados, the sprouts that I just got, some red cabbage. I think that's it. I don't know. But that's my salad for tonight. I'm going to eat this and then I'm going to go walk on my treadmill. Try to get me a mile in. That's all I can get for today. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.